welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne was celebrating his birthday, and he had a little, you know, allegedly some people comment and stuff on his page re his birthday because he said that he made a post and they went after him on that post. So he was talking about that, and he was saying that basically that he is still going to make it, and no matter what others have to say about it, he's still going to make it. And he's talking about the well, he said that basically that people said that he would have fallen ill on his life, or fell over, had a stroke, something in that line, but that didn't happen, and he's thankful for that, that he's able to live to see another year. So he's talking about that and other things. So go ahead and go catch the video. And guys, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And for all my lovelies out there that are celebrating their birthdays today, I wish you love, peace, joy, happiness, and prosperity. And for all my other lovelies that are out there, I want to wish you a wonderful day and just be happy, smile, you know, share love and happiness with someone around you that may be experiencing, a difficult time. And guys, remember to go like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel, and have yourselves a wonderful day.
Old memories too. Oh my god, I cannot. This was me. This was me before I had my brain tumor. This is me before my brain tumor. Nice boy, watch nice boy, watch cute nice boy. When I look good too. When I look hot boy, go away. Show another one. Watch nice boy. Watch nice boy. I mean that look pan the boy. Which one of them blog about ya? They look like me. None of them fit go away. That's what I'm telling you. Enough of them to turn them down because them did look me. Them did want me. And I know you are not my type. If you ever dude or you don't cute, your shape body look, it looks. I know, but because I get ill, them feel like them can't stand it. And even now I am ill. When comedy fall in, I still wouldn't want them. I still wouldn't want them. It's actually that serious. As Panny God my love. Look at nice boy. Watch there. I mean that I mean that. This is me. Which one of them could have talked to me? You know, Moa, I swear to God, me really want? I want to lose the weight. You see, anyhow I lose the weight, I feel like say, I'm gonna go back to that person. I just want to lose weight. I want to lose weight. I desperately want to lose weight. I lose weight, but I lose it too slow. Way too slow. I want to lose it very rapidly. So we can feel nice again. And pose on them. Slim and trim. I'm gonna show you more pictures. I'm gonna show you more pictures of me. Which of them can look like me? None of them. It's enough of them. Them for eyed pan black screen. Them for eyed girl pan black screen. And that was not a shade. I'm actually saying something that's actually factual. And enough of them pan black screen. Enough of them pan black screen, which means say anybody wanna take it up, that is on them. I don't really care. I don't care. Watch nice boy. Watch nice boy. I don't want to chat to you. No move. None of you can look like me. None of you. Me not ask me to tell the truth. My mother and my father have good genes. Oh, and wait, I know my angles. I know what we call angles. Oh, Lord. May I find some picture and show now? Yeah. Find some picture. I feel like I was way too skinny here. I was way too skinny there. I was way too skinny. I was way too skinny there. I'm not sure that one there. I was way too skinny. Uh I feel like I was way too skinny here too. I was way too skinny here too. I was way too skinny here too. This is when I went to my grand uncle's party. I think his 80th party before him dead from COVID, just before COVID. Or something so. Something so. Oh, this is me as a baby. This is me as a baby. That's me as a baby. I love a baby. That was me as a baby. I'm a baby picture that. I'm a baby picture that. I can't find him picture on the phone. Oh. Here's another one. Of me before I had my brain tumor, my stroke. Let me zoom in. This is when I went to Jamaica. I was in Jamaica. That's before I had the brain tumor and the stroke. In 2017, 18. That's me again. I was at Helsha. I drove to Helsha because I wanted to go get fish and festivals. Anytime I got to Jamaica, I forgot Helsha to go get fish and festival. And this is before I had. This is also before I had my brain tumor, my stroke as well. Also another one here. Much nice boy, nice. Hey, honest to God, I wish I could go back to these days, but if it don't happen, I don't really care. Like the facts of God is making my eye open at daytime. But God, either way, I don't business. I don't care. I am fine. Oh, this was when my father, my God, me at Jamaica, and my father, my cousin got KPH hospital. My father, my cousin got KPH hospital. Me a bad at boy. They can't chat to me on move. I remember telling the fun to turn on a down. And not on the terminal, me turn on a down. Which means that I will always have that over Uno. Always. Alright, now even on my worst days, I'm always gonna have it over Uno. This is when this is when I followed my dad to the there's a place in Constant Spring. What the place name again? I think it's called tax place. A tax are some place. Well, it's near to Immaculate Conception. I think one tax place. I think one tax place. Where do you go? And I took the picture out there. This picture. I'm zooming. I don't know why I didn't put. I don't know why I didn't put more so, but maybe I feel like my cousin catch me talking, and I just saw the picture come out. Oh, so next to that. And oh, this is when me and my cousin, me and my cousin got one place called Gallus Wednesday. Me don't want to put my cousin in there. I'll take on my cousin. I'll just keep me. And me at boy now, me at boy long time. Me take a joke. Me at boy. Enough people turn on me say move. Get out the way. You get that? Oh Lord, I cannot be bothered. I'm gonna say, I had more pictures, right? But my first Facebook, them to take it down. The people, them to get my Facebook take down, them take it down. Some all my pictures, them lose my pictures, them, and I go try with my phone too. Some can't turn on, some can't turn on, and the picture them locked on the phone. So, oh, I love this side of you. Stay that way. You make me laugh a lot. At boy for them, me at boy for them. So walk out with your friend. Oh Lord, I'm telling you. I just saw a picture. This was, I would show this picture, but my nephew's in this picture, and I don't want him to latch into this picture and go and try and ridicule him or try and say anything bad about my nephew. That's gonna piss me off. So me not gonna put it to this picture was when we come out to the hospital. This picture would be when we come out to the hospital with my brain tumor and a stroke. Me not showing it up. Me not showing it. Or me did have a party. Me did have a welcome back party. And my nephew and my family come. But me not put out that one because you know them say them love to take your pictures and go do nonsense with them. I can show this one. I'm gonna show this one. This was me and my nephew when he was a little baby. So me gonna show that one. Me not mind show that one, but me not gonna show when I'm a big kid. Me not better show it. Me not better show that one. Me can show you me crap mode. See me there? I was at Kalani Mart. I'm place called Kalani Mart, Constant Spring. You know, just after Manor Park. What the other plaza? Just past the market. What next plaza down there? So I was there. Me a hot boy and me a hot boy. Look go away. When you can't chat to me. Look good. Say hot boy there. Which one? Pray to God. Honestly, pray to God me don't lose the weight. Pray to God me don't lose the weight. Pray. Cause I tell you, none of the man can help me tell me. Me now I'll be telling the truth. Me a hot boy. Hot plus tax. Look good. Which one of the man look like me? Which one? Which one of the man can look like me? Which one of the man can look like me? Not see me a hot boy. Say it this, me a hot boy. I'm a hot plus tax. Right now, me just need to lose the weight. I swear to God, me just want to lose the weight. If me lose the weight, I'm gonna be fine. All if me lean up, me still gonna be fine. Cause just me a shot. Cause when it's time for me to pose, me a poser. Take a joke, but it can't stay there. On know me, on the down, on the think, couldn't know me, on the think, couldn't know me. It can't stay there. I'm not looking. I am not looking. May I try to find more picture? Oh, me find another one to show on. Look here. Me try to crop out the person here and just showing me. But one of them now come out. Watch there. Wanna see that person there? I'ma calm down real good. Who's that person? Who that person there? Who's this person? Who that person there? Look good. On a member the hat, remember the hat. Just focus on the hat. Focus on the hat. Let's see guys go down a little bit more. Hold on, focus on the hat. Focus on the hat. Who's that person? Me a hot boy a long time when I go away. When I ask me, I tell you no. Thank you, Hannah. Thank you so much. God bless you too. You know, more some of them, more enough of them put out them throwback pictures. Put out ton of throwback pictures. Put out some throwback and let us do some like what do I call it now? Like competition of throwback pictures. And it's all I gonna look better if I honor what I mean. Honor what I mean. The man with platform. All of the man with platform. The one I don't know. Put out no throwback picture and make us all look better if I honor what I mean. We can chat or sit down. Oh God, give me strength, Lord. If I laugh. Anyways, when I put out the moment picture, I don't put it at no more my pictures. No more. Anyways, big up to everyone who blessed me for my birthday. Big up to everyone who wished me a happy birthday. Big up to everyone who joined me. Me I come back later. Me know say. Me sort some uno. Me I come back later. For later on people. You know, say today has shown me which one of my people actually stands with me and who don't. And that's all I'm gonna say. Listen, Arthur. There's no animosity over here. There's none at all. I'm just saying there's no animosity. Whatever's happened in the past happened in the past. I don't really care. I'm not holding on to nothing. So if you feel like I'm here, like trying to belittle anyone, no, I'm not. I'm just having a conversation with my people. Then I mean, I said, me know, say me a hot boy, boy, me cute too. Yeah, I stay good like ice in a freezer. Oh God, give me strength. If I laugh, I cannot be bothered. Yeah. Thank you, Omar. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Omar. I appreciate you. So when I tell me I couldn't even get 100 likes for my birthday live stream, this is a tragedy. This is bad. So I only have 69 people on my live stream who actually supports me for me and not because of the mix-up. Okay, that's fine. Thank you, the 69 of you. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. I enjoyed hearing you. I enjoy hearing you because I know at times it's just ain't easy. Thank you. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. You know, I feel like there's a lot of you know I know this page is a fake page. I swear to God this page is a fake page. Only God can come off the cross and tell me this person not a fake page. But I believe you be. Just have fun. It's fine. It's fine. Thank you, Cornice. Thank you so much. Listen, I'm coming up with this live stream now. I'm coming up. I thought I was gonna get 100 likes, but I didn't get 100 likes, which is fine. At least I know I have 71 people out of all of you who's on my live show